Let's go 5. Lesson 17. Have you ever been seen eaten? Listen and repeat. Have you ever been to Japan?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever been to the USA?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever been to the zoo?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been camping?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever seen a lion?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever seen an alligator?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever seen a ghost?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever seen a shooting star?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever eaten snails?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever eaten sushi?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever eaten an oyster?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever eaten curry?
No, I haven't.